9th of September, PDF 5, PDF 5th, POS sales, point of sales. So here it is the question. First we have made the company. After that we have gone in alter and made the units. What units we have made? NOS numbers. Then we have made stock item. We have put the name. We have put the NOS. Then we have done control and we directly come to quantity. We have written the quantity, rate, value. Likewise we have done all for the stock items. Then POS transaction. So when we do purchase and sales class, we have to do alter, but POS, for POS we have to create a voucher. So for creating POS sales voucher, we will go and create. We will then go on voucher type. Then here we will write POS sales. Here we will write POS sales. Wait, we have already created, so I will show you from alter, but we have to make it from create. I am just showing you. So we have to write POS sales. Then we have to write sales, select type of voucher. There we have to select sales, abbreviation type yes. Here we have to do automatic manual override. Then we have to do yes, then control A. Yes, then control A. If we have done control A, because in question these are given. Allow zero value transaction. We have to do this and we do not have to do this thing. We will then directly come here. Here we have to select yes, use POS invoicing message. Yes, we can write the message happy shopping, no return, etc. Then default title print, we will write there POS invoice. Select / alter declaration, we will select yes, then we will do control A. Then here we will write POS class. Then here are the type of payment, how the person will do the payment. So for gift voucher we will select no, but when we will select yes, if we will select yes for gift voucher, so for gift voucher ledger name will be sales. Now debit card, credit card, it will be under bank ledger name, check and demand draft, DD, bank, cash. Sometimes it will not show, so we have to create. If we have not created earlier bank account, so we have to create from here. We can from here also we can do control A and create the bank account, and that after that here we will write sales percentage 100. Here we will do only these two things, sales and 100%. Then we will click enter. Then here we will come in discount allowed. Here we will create a discount allowed, and here we will do alt C and create discount allowed ledger under indirect expenses, and type of calculation as user defined value. What we will write as user defined value. Remove if zero, yes, we will do that. Control A. So we have to do this from create. I have already created, so I am just showing you from alter. So we have made the stock item, we have made the units, we have made the stock item. We have created the POS class, not from alter but from create. We have to create POS class from create. Now we have to do the transaction. So voucher, then F8. Now from here we have to select POS class, then we have to select POS sales, then POS class. Then here we have to do this. And one most important thing, click on F12 and here skip the quantity filled during voucher entry, select it no. When we put here the item, so if we will select the sales, then it will skip the quantity and it will come on rate. then we have to do backspace, then we have to one more time put quantity, actual quantity, so that will be a problem. So when we do F12 and we do skip quantity field no, then it will not skip that. So this is the first entry. We are doing control A. Here we have selected the item, quantity, rate. Likewise we have to also create sales account, by the way. Cash. Here we will put the amount by which we are receiving. Here we will put the amount by which we are receiving, and here it will, like we are receiving 2700 from cash, so we have put the amount here in cash standard. Like if the debtor is giving us the money, we will put that amount here. Like we have done the sales of 2700, but if the debtor is giving us 3000 rupees, so we will write 3000 here, and the balance we have to return. So this tally will automatically write 300 rupees here. In second entry, payment mode are debit card, credit card. So here we have put this amount here or this amount here. Here it is no telling the amount, so we have directly put whole amount here. And because it is from debit card or credit card, so therefore there will be no thing like cash standard or payment. That thing will only come when the payment is in cash, partly cash or fully cash, anything. Then in third, here cash and card. Third, here this partly cash. So if partly cash, therefore cash standard is also showing here. जैसे कि मैम ये वाला जो है, इसमें पेमेंट का दो प्रकार है, कैश और तो यहाँ पे ये कार्ड डाल दिया।
हाँ।
कार्ड नंबर तो नहीं डालना हो,
कार्ड नंबर डाल देना तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 डाल।
फिर जैसे कि ये कैश में अपन 1000 डाले,
ठीक है।
पर अब यहाँ पे भी अपन 1000 डालेंगे ना?
नहीं, यहाँ पे कैश स्टैंडर्ड मतलब जैसे टोटल बिल कितना हुआ है, 3500 हुआ है, तो मैं आपको 500 के 8 नोट दे रही हूँ, मतलब 4000 रुपये मैं दे रही हूँ। वैसे 3500 है तो मेरे को 7 नोट ही देना चाहिए।
3.5 है और वो पे कर दिया।
कैश स्टैंडर्ड मतलब कि आपने कितना पैसा दिया है।
अच्छा।
जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 1200 का बिल बना है,
हाँ,
मैंने आपको 500 के 3 नोट दिए,
हाँ,
तो कैश स्टैंडर्ड कितना होगा, 1500 होगा।
हाँ।
और बैलेंस कितना होगा, 300 रुपये।
तो 300 वापस होगा।
हाँ, ये होता है।
हाँ,
अब
हाँ।
यहाँ तो आपका जैसे राउंड फिगर 3500 ही है,
हाँ।
है ना। अब अपने पास तो 500 के ही नोट है, अगर 1000 के नोट होते तो मैं आपको 4 नोट देती 1000 के। तो कैश स्टैंडर्ड में कितना आता है, 4000, और बैलेंस कितना आता है, 500।
नहीं, जैसे कि यहाँ पे 3500 हो गया,
ठीक है।
अब ये 3500 में से 2500 तो बैंक से पे कर दिया,
ठीक है,
मतलब अब उसको 1000 देना है।
हाँ।
तो यहाँ पे कैश स्टैंडर्ड में 1000 आएगा
अब
ना,
1000 आएगा वो,
मतलब नहीं।
लेकिन कैश स्टैंडर्ड वो होता है जितना
हाँ,
पैसा आपको दे
जितना
रहा
वो
है।
सामने वाला बंदा अपन को दे रहा
हो गया
है। मैंने यहाँ पे 3.5 कर रहा था तो गलत हो रहा था
हाँ,
ना।
तो वो गलत दिखेगा ना, ओवर हो जाएगा ना फिर।
हाँ, वही।
क्या नहीं आया, आंसर नहीं आया।
Here we have done a little correction of this entry.
यहाँ पे तो मैंने आपको इतने सब चीज़ें बताई है, उसके बाद भी आप ऐसे करोगे। आप कहाँ कर रहे हो?
Control A.
ये हो गई एंट्री।
10 अगस्त, now 12th अगस्त।
ये क्लास का आपको पढ़ाया है, देखो पहला आपका लोकल तमिलनाडु है, नाला वाला, इसमें आपने CST लगाया।
So here payment mode is cash.
उसके बाद क्या है,
In this question, the cash standard amount is not given, so we have taken the same amount, which is the total invoice. cash directly.
फिर उसके बाद है सफ्रा ट्रेडर्स। सफ्रा ट्रेडर्स भी आपका सेल्स है और इसमें भी आपका CGST लगेगा।
That cash standard thing will only appear when the payment, partly payment or full payment will be in cash. Now let's see the student task. Create a stock item with opening. We have created that. We have made the units. We have made the stock item. Activate and configure POS voucher type. We have already created, not altered. We have already created POS invoice. Created POS sales. We have recorded all POS invoice with bill number and correct payment mode. Generate report daybook. This is daybook and we have to print. So Alt P or Control P. We will use Control P for direct print. Alt Z to zoom.
मशीनरी का क्या होगा? मशीनरी क्या होती है आपकी? तो यहाँ पे कैपिटल क्यों डालेंगे?
Cash book. Cash/bank book. So let's try to go and display more reports and then so where this cash/bank book is given, so we have to go and display more reports, then we have to go on accounts book, then here it is given cash/bank book. So from cash payment we have received rupees 6,100 and through bank we have received rupees 9,500. Total we have received this much. We can also see that from Alt G or Control G, like cash/bank book. If we have to find some reports, so we can do Alt G or Control G, or in other way we can go and display more reports, and here we can also see there are many things under accounts books also, so don't forget that. And now it is asked to see the stock summary. Stock summary. In stock summary we have to do 3 yeses: FL, opening yes, inward yes, outward yes, then control A. Then here it is the opening balance and outward. Opening balance and outward. So this is PDF 5 POS Digital World, 9th September.